1 in 5 workers in the NHS comes from some sort of immigrant background or is a foreign worker.
What do you think is the best thing or some of the best things about the NHS as a service across the UK?
I think it's just that it covers everybody, and its door is open 24/7, 365 days a year.
And thinking about the NHS as it is today, what are some of the challenges that you see from your role?
I think we've always got the difficulty of capacity and demand. We had maybe a decade of austerity, which had a big impact on not just the jobs that were available, but pay for staff. So when our wages were frozen for a period of time, it does get more difficult to bring people in, because ultimately everybody will do a job like this because they love it, but they need to be rewarded correctly for it, and they have the right to have a decent life.
What do you think can be done to encourage more people into the NHS?
I think we need to look at who works in our NHS now. So like 1 in 5 workers in the NHS comes from some sort of immigrant background or is a foreign worker. So it's really important that we don't push those people away, because if we lose 20% of our workforce because of political decisions or immigration changes, we're going to be in a really bad state. So we can value the workers we have, we can bring in workers from other countries, but we can also highlight career pathways for people who were born in the UK as well. So I think we need to make sure that we don't listen to that sort of political rhetoric, which is highlighting immigration as being the cause of all our problems. But when it comes to immigrant workers coming into the country, particularly in the NHS, you can see that they're coming in to try and do a good job and help. And it's quite admirable to do that, to leave where you've grown up and come and work in a different country is a massive jump.
A final question, what do you see to be the future of the NHS in Wales? What do you think we could achieve in a best case scenario?
We need to have like good economic growth that's consistent, and that way it's bringing good money into the NHS. As long as we're bringing good funding into the NHS in the right areas, we can then pay our staff correctly. But if we keep trying to push a political divide, I think we've got to be very, very careful, because we'll create short-term problems that will just get worse over time.